Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to continue our discussion on HTML styles. The HTML style attribute along with the CSS properties. So quickly, let's get started. Today, we are going to talk about text alignment, the CSS text align property. The CSS text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for HTML elements. For example, we will have our opening and closing tag along with the HTML style attribute in our opening tag. Inside the opening tag, inside the style attribute double quote. Inside the double quote, we will give it a text align property. After the text align property, we will give it the value, which is center. We can use left, right, or center. I think that is how it works. So quickly, let's give some example. Back to our HTML file that we wrote earlier. Let's save it and see how it looks in our browser. Reload it. This is how our document looks. So we want to align this text to this right side. We want to leave this one by the left side, and we want to align this one, H1, to the center. So quickly, let's get started. This one first to the right side. So what are we using? We are going to use start attribute along with the CSS property. The CSS property we are using is text align. So quickly, let's use text align property and go to the right, because we want to shift this to the right side of the document. So save it. This one here is the one we are shifting. This is it. The P tag here. The second one is there, but we are shifting the second one. We are not shifting the first one. So let's save the document and see how it looks. This one will go here. So reload it. Can you see how it works? So we want to leave this one here and shift this one to the center. So let's go here. Right style attribute along with the text align and give it center. Save it. You will see our HTML hello wonderful. We move to the center. This we come here. We come to the center here. Wow, you can see how it works. And this, because it's on the left side already, if we give it to move to the left side, let's copy this and use it here. is going to sit at the same spot because it's already by the left. So let's reload our document and see how this one will never move because it's already by the left side. You see, when we reload, it doesn't change the position. So if we want to shift it to the right, again, we can just specify the right side. Right. Save it. And see how it looks. Can you see? And if we want to take it back to the left, you can just remove this and put it to the left. It will come back to the left. And because the default position of these documents are here, the default position is by the left side, so we don't need to use the text align left again, because this default position from the HTML is at the left side. So when we save the document and reload it, it will still remain the same place because the default position is at the left side. You can only use the default position when we are starting the text, but we want to change it, we can use text align. The text align statement, the text align property, the CSS text align changes the position of the elements to the left, right, or center. You can try this again. So that's how it works. As you can see, we move our text to the right, to the center, and we are having one at the left. I think you can understand the scope right now. So throughout this tutorial, we have discussed about using of the style attribute for styling HTML elements, using of the background color for background colors, using of the color property from the CSS for the text color. We use font family of the CSS property for text font to change the looks. We use font size for the text size to change the size of the text. And we have used text align for text alignment to move the text to the right, to the left, to the center. This style attribute is HTML style attribute, and this background color is for the CSS property. This color is also from the CSS property, CSS property, CSS property, CSS property. I hope you can understand the point. So once again, in the future, we can discuss much more advanced topic on our HTML beginner series. As we are get going, we'll get to know much more about the secret behind the elements in HTML. So I think we are done today. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.